The most often asked question by any student is, where am I going to eat dinner tonight? Should it be Jack in the Box? With a Jumbo Jack medium fries and a 16-ounce chocolate shake, turns out to be a pretty heavy meal. Once you've had something to eat, should you go back and get more? Hey Becca, we were just thinking of going to get something to eat. You want to come? Yeah. I mean, I'm down. We were thinking pizza. Peer pressure. It's the leading reason that most of us go out to eat. Let's be real. Did you know that a meal at McDonald's consists of about 1,500 calories? Our friend Becca here has let her eating out habits get a hold of her life. The more that she eats, the more that she gains, and the more that she gains, the more she realizes that the stairs are more and more difficult. As she makes these choices of eating out, we'll see how some of her friends warn her of the consequences. I'm probably not going to do that again. Hey, that small Costa Vida salad actually doesn't look that bad. Without a tortilla, it ends up being a pretty healthy meal. And then there's Arby. A medium beef and cheddar, medium curly fries, and vanilla shake do not make for a medium-sized person. With 1,360 calories, 63 grams of fat, and enough sodium to kill a small army. Do you remember what I said about stairs earlier? About how I said, never again? I meant it. There's always that one really fit friend who enjoys the stairs. She is our example of eating out in a healthy way so that you can stay thin. If Becca continues to eat out at places like Taco Bell, she will continue to gain weight. Thankfully, there is exercise. Your really fit friend will invite you to go to the gym with them, and then they run circles around you. Literally. All of that working out will make you want to go to Cold Stone. Cold Stone ice cream offers 830 calories, 45 grams of fat, and 420 milligrams of sodium. Enough calories to fill you for a day, bad cholesterol from bad fats, and enough sodium, again, to kill an army. After a while, your fit friend's comments will finally start getting to you, and you will go to the exercise room. You'll do a few of the things that you actually know how to do. But let's be real. We don't really know what we're doing. And everything in the gym's really hard to make work. Gonna make it, gonna make it, gonna make it, maybe not. Stick with the Starbursts, they're easier to lift. Hey Miller, we're gonna go eat at McDonald's, do you wanna come? No thanks, I have my apple. You know, that's probably a really good idea. However, it's never too late. You will be able to improve your well-being.